Hello, hi everybody. Midnight here, and today, you guys, I want to shoot a video right quick. I want to show you guys my Amiibo collection. Out of the Amiibos that I've gotten out through the years, ever since, well, Ultimate came out, which I'm still praying and hoping that Amaterasu comes to Ultimate. She really does need to come to there, and then they'll make an Amiibo of her, which I would love. So anyway, these are my Amiibo figures. I have a small little bit collection. I will update the Amiibos when they come out, and then I'll do a post video of them. So this one right here, this is Princess Peach, and she's from the Mario Party. But I think Mario Party 10. I actually got her when someone gave me the my little sis gave me the Mario 10 Party, which comes with the Princess Peach Amiibo. And here we have Ryu. And see, this is why Okami needs to come to Ultimate, because they have Capcom characters. I mean, Ryu is a Capcom character. Ken is a Capcom character. Mega Man is a Capcom character. Here's Lucario. Now, Lucario is actually one of my favorite characters in Smash. And here's Fox. There's Fox, everyone. There's Samus. There's Chrome. There's Chrome, everybody. Oops, he fell over. Here's Ike, which he's one of my all-time favorite Amiibos. He's really nice. Over here, we have Falco. There's Falco right there. There's Wolflink. Now I got Wolflink when I got the I got Wolflink when I bought the Twilight Princess HD version. There's Wolf. Now, Wolf was really hard for me to get. I had to pay $30 for him on eBay, but I purchased him. Here's Mario. I have Mario. There's Link from Link's Awakening. There's the other Chrome. That's the 5 Emblem series. Here's Schultz. Here's Richard, or there's Richard. Here's Incineroy. Link. Here's Mario from Super Mario Odyssey. Here's Simon. There's Simon, everybody. And last but not least, Dark Samus. I really love these. This is the best thing that Nintendo has ever came out with. Of these Amiibos. Very, very detailed. And they're fun to collect. And you can play with them in certain games. Smash and I believe Breath of the Wild. They're just really fun to collect. I'm going to collect right now I have a total of 20. And I'm going to get more of them. I'm going to get more Amiibos. So I thought I'd just shoot you guys this quick video. And yeah, I thought I'd shoot you guys this quick video that to show you guys my Amiibo collection. And like I said, guys, videos will return back on their normal schedule as soon as I get myself all situated and sorted out and stuff. But I'm going to try and get up a video once in a while. I still have to redo the my channel trailer, because that needs to be redone. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please comment, please rate, please subscribe, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. May the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Okay, everyone, bye.